Okay, push the slack through on your side. Got it, reach in the box now. Okay, easy now, bring it left, just a fraction.
Copy that, traversing left.
And set. All clear on this side.
Check the torque on clamp 34B.
Reading 45 inch-pounds, right within limps. The next section is clear. The tolerances look good on this section.
Confirmed. We are within the required parameters.
The tolerances on panel 42 are holding steady.
Good. Let's verify the edge alignment on this section.
Lower by 5 millimeters.
Confirmed. Lowering 5 millimeters. A little to the left, slow down. Copy that, easing left. Looks good here.
All right, I'm starting the rivet gun now. Clear. We need 0.5 millimeter clearance here.
Okay, I'm securing the rib to the spar now.
We are clear by 5 millimeters on the forward spar.
Copy that, hold position steady.
Did you torque this clamp to specification?
Yes, 50 foot-pounds. Moving to the next joint now.
Torque sequence complete. Green light confirmed.
Roger that. Starting final verification sequence on the tablet now.
The alignment is off by 2 millimeters on the trailing edge.
Adjusting now. Check the laser alignment.
Torque sequence complete.
Verified and logged. Good to go. Alignment confirmed on section 4.
Copy that, bringing the lower panel in now. Watch your clearance on the jig.
team, final approach, 5 millimeters to station 400.
Copy that. Adjusting thrust.
Clear on the starboard side. Secure.
Okay, bring it up 5 millimeters. Watch the pressure line on the left.
Okay, check the pressure on the main actuator line here. Okay.
Reading 3,000 psi, applying final torque now.
Verified. Log that on the tablet.
Did you verify the connection point there?
Yes, applying the final torque now. We are within tolerance. Check the connection at 0.7 alpha. It looks loose.
Confirmed, tightening it now.
Check the torque on position 4.
Reading confirmed. Logging the adjustment now.
Checklist item 4.2 complete. All lines secured.
Verified on the panel. Pressure holding steady.
Almost there. Easy now.
We're coupled.
Confirmed connection.
That one is set to 50.
Level looks good. We are clear for the next section.
That one is set to 50.
Level looks good. We are clear for the next section.
How does that look on your side?
Perfect, the alignment is spot on now. Let's secure it.
Make sure the clips are fully engaged on that side.
Okay, I've got it. Securing the next module now.
Make sure the clips are fully engaged on that side.
Okay, I've got it. Securing the next module now.
The alignment looks good here.
Clearances are within tolerance.
Symmetrical fit confirmed. Torque set to specification. Good seal compression on the lower hinge. All green on the connections.
Final bolt secured. Module is stable.
Pressure stabilizing at nominal.
Confirmed. Logging the sequence complete.
Okay, cross-reference panel 72.
Confirmed. All rivets are within tolerance.
Checkpoint complete on the main spar.
Visual inspection complete on the stabilizer.
Log it in the system. The gap tolerance is within parameters.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got it. Watch the wiring harness.
Clear on this side.
We are showing a slight fluctuation here. Yeah.
Adjusting the regulator now. It's stabilizing.
Roger, tug proceeding. Maintain this speed until grid intersection 4. Clear on the left side.
Okay, the edges look clean here. Let me check the reflection uniformity. Looks good.
Cockpit navigation lights are active. Checking taxi lights now.
Roger that. Looking good down here.
All systems reported green. Ready for pushback.
Confirmed. Tower notified. The completion of the A380 marks a new era in aviation. The completion of the A380 marks a new era in aviation.
Hold short at the white line.
Confirmed. Holding short. Clear left side.
Hold short at the white line.
Confirmed. Holding short. Clear left side.
Maintain current heading. Very slow.
Clear left.
Clear right. Keep it coming. Maintain current heading. Very slow.
Clear left.
Clear right. Keep it coming.